To install Pandanet, go to the web page and click on GoPanda2. Select the operating system you have and wait for the download to finish. Click on it and complete the installation process. To register, you can either navigate to Pandanet registration page or just click the register account button in the client. It will also take you to the same page. There, you should fill out all the fields. I didn't put in my real name and that's fine. After that, go to your email and click on the link. It will make the registration process complete. Then you can log in with your credentials and voila! We are here. To change the language, click on the three lines in the upper right corner, then select the first option. Then select English. OK. And restart the client. Here you go, your setup is complete.